Now it's time to change network settings for Debian server virtual machine. We need to select the virtual machine and then press button settings. From there we need to press over network tab or button, and from this drop down we need to select bridge adapter. By this way VirtualBox will create a virtual network card, and our internet router will assign to virtual machine individual IP address. When we start virtual machine, center. Okay, I'm gonna close this pop-up, and our user was developer and password. Okay, now the easiest command to show what is our IP address for the one network is AP space A, and we can see that our IP address is I can highlight it with the mouse, but the IP address is 192.168.1.207. Okay, now we know our IP address, and the next step is to log into this virtual machine. In my example, I'm using another virtual machine with Linux Mint, and from this virtual machine I will connect to Debian server with the command ssh the user developer for this machine, followed by the IP address 207, I think was. Sorry. Press enter. Now when we log in for the first time, okay, it seems that in the previous my test I am already using this IP address, so to remove this error I need to execute this command. Okay, now I'm gonna try another connect. Okay, we need to select and answer with yes. Now the Debian server asks for password for user developer, and now we need to, why everything is so slow? Strange. Okay, now we are login to test if we are on the right machine. First we can see that user is with the name developer, and this is the name of the server, but to be more sure I usually execute again a command that checks what is the IP address, even that the IP address is mentioned above. For example, if we have a lot of commands, I usually execute this command again just to be sure, and this is the IP address. Okay, now I'm gonna create another tutorial for how to install Docker, or maybe I will select Podman instead, so we can run Docker containers and to use them for development.